3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Oh, good job, you get it right.
Stacking all of my poppets on top of each other. As you can see, I have a lot of poppets, so just for a size comparison, I'm going to be stacking them against a door. Let's get started. Big poppets first. That's what it looks like so far. Time for the rest of the poppets. Squares, circles, hearts, octagons. Oh gosh. I got it to balance. Now we're on to animals. Oh my gosh. Please don't fall. So I had to rearrange some of the poppets, but so far we have this. The smaller poppets are going at the top. Mini poppets. And lastly, oh my goodness. This is how tall it is. It's so wobbly.
Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Oh, good job, you get it right.